How you doing, everyone? It's Kevin. I'm back with another video. Today we're going to be working on another woodshed. We're going to do it a little bit bigger this time. I got these two guys on Facebook. Not a lot of interest in them. It's not cold enough yet. Once it gets colder, people are going to look at this stuff. Hopefully it'll do better. But a guy contacted me on Facebook Marketplace and asked me if I could build him a bigger one. He wants, actually he wants two, but I'm only going to build one to start off to make sure he likes it. But we're going to do a 4 foot by 4 foot wide and deep and 60 inches tall. So that's going to be our project today. We're going to be working on this woodshed. I went out to the mill, run some logs off. I got 2 big logs here. I run through the mill, and hopefully we got enough to at least get one real good one done with this. I think I can get both of them done with this pile of lumber, but we at least need to get one of them done. So that's our project for today. Build another woodshed. So we have our floor laid out here. We're going to go ahead and screw this base together. And if you notice how I have it interlocked, these are on the inside, these outside, these on the inside. That kind of interlocks everything together. We're going to be using 3-inch screws on this. I think that's going to make us a good base to our small woodshed. Yeah, that's a pretty good sized woodshed. This woodshed is going to hold almost a half a cord of wood. It should hold a half a cord in this woodshed. Now, whatever I do, I want to make sure I set this up so I can get my tractor in here to get it out of my shop. So I'm going to turn this thing. Oh, that's heavy already. I want to turn it in that direction. And it's square. It's good and square, so I think we're good. I think we're sitting okay. I think what I need to do is go get 4 blocks and put them in the corners so my skids will go up underneath that. Now I'm going to be bouncing in and out with the camera. I'm sure you guys don't want to see the whole build, but I'll just do my best to give you a finished product when we're done. Okay, we got our floor laid out. Looks like I'm only going to have to cut about a 1/2 inch off of this last board. We're going to try to get these boards as tight as we can in here. I don't know if I mentioned it to you guys, but I'm not a carpenter, so if you see something wrong, complain to somebody else. We're just moving right along here, looking good.
Nails were too long, and I ain't gonna go buy extra. Just chop them off. Looks good. It's rustic, eh? That's what we wanted. Rustic, that's what we got.
It's rustic for sure.
6-inch slope on that roof. Do the same thing to the other side. Good.
Okay.
Okay, we got our back wall finished up. Now I got to cut that in the angle of these sides. I used my mellow jigsaw to cut that with, because this blade, like my circular saw, I can only go the 7 degrees on one direction. This one here will go both directions, so I can cut where I'm comfortable. Did a pretty good cut. Got it where you want.
Good.
Put it at the top. That's good. That looks nice.
Yeah.
So now all we have left to do is to put the metal on the top. And I'm going to say this shed didn't take very long to do.
No.
Not at all. So we're going to go get some metal cut for the top and get it put on. Okay, our little wood shed is finished. All besides putting this band on, we're going to be putting this little strip around here. And that's just so nobody catches their head on here and cuts themselves. This stuff is actually pretty cool, but it's a little bit hard to work with because you got to use a heat gun to get it to bend. But it does work and it stays on nice. So that's the only thing we got left to do. Now this wood shed here is 48 inches by 48 inches, 48 inches deep, 48 inches wide, and it's 60 inches tall. So this wood shed right here will hold 1/2 cord of wood very easily. So definitely a nice little wood shed. If you got a cabin, or even if you want to burn it in your house, this is a pretty good sized wood shed. Okay guys, we got our second wood shed done. This gentleman wanted 2 of these wood sheds. So we built him pretty much 2, almost identically the same. Tried to use a little piece of live edge down here just to give it a little bit of character, and I think it really turned out nice. These are pretty strong little wood sheds, and they're going to hold a little over that 1/2 cord, just a little bit over a 1/2 cord. They'll definitely hold a 1/2 cord because they're 4 foot by 4 foot by 60 inches high. So, and then a 1/2 cord, you only need 4 foot by 4 foot by 4 foot high. So we can definitely get a 1/2 cord in here. So when I'm finished with this thing, they still don't have any stain on them or no clear. I leave that up to whoever gets them. They can do that. If they want to clear them, or they want to stain them, turn them a color, or paint them, whatever they want to do. They can do whatever they want to them. So that's our second one. And actually, I got another guy that wants one too, just like this. So I'm going to have to at least build one more of them. So, yeah, pretty hot this time of year. Wood sheds are going good. So I would like to tell everyone, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave me thumbs up, thumbs down, or a comment if you'd like. Till next time.